Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop recommending or how to stop Instagram recommending your Threads account. So, if you don't want Instagram to recommend your Threads profile to other people, you can turn off profile suggestions in the Threads app. So, first open Threads and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Make sure you're signed into your account first. So, once you're here, tap the menu in the top right corner. Then, from here, select Privacy. So, at the bottom, select Suggesting Posts on Other Apps. And finally, turn off the toggle for Instagram, just like so. So, this prevents your Threads account from being recommended to people on Instagram. So, if you don't see this option, make sure your Threads app is updated to the latest version, as settings may vary depending on your app version and region. So, if your profile is private, your post won't be suggested on other apps. So, make sure your profile is public and then turn off Instagram under suggesting posts. So again, just open the Threads app, then click your profile, then click the two-line menu in the top right corner, then go to privacy, then at the bottom go to suggesting posts and other apps. So this will only be available if your account is public. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.